So your painting just stopped working and you feel stuck. You have no idea what to do next. So you either stop altogether or you just keep going, trying to guess what it needs so that you can move forward with it. Sometimes that works, but most of the time it doesn't. And your painting just ends up getting more busy and less interesting. And that is why I want to talk about variety today. Because once you understand what that actually is and where to look for it, you'll never have to guess again. So before I learned about what I teach, I used to just go for it. But now I kind of do things differently, just like I did with this painting. I stop. But today I was ready to give it a go again. And the first thing that popped into my mind was variety. I started by looking at those gold shapes, and I could see that three of them were roughly the same size. And I know that when that happens, it takes away from the interest in the painting as a whole. I wanted to do something that would break up the smaller shapes and make the painting look very different. So I started adding lines. I know that lines will be an interesting contrast to the shapes, and I'll have two things happening on the canvas instead of one. Then I bring in these large pink areas. Again, because I know it will create a wonderful contrast to the lines and the smaller shapes. At this point, I'm feeling kind of bold, so I just pulled out the white to brighten up the whole painting and create even more variety. Suddenly, I feel like everything is starting to work now. The smaller forms are working well, and now that I've made and I think the small things on the painting look small because there's something big beside them. Out of pure curiosity, I bring in a bold color to see if it would add to the painting or not. And as you can see, color can also create variety. Anyhow, this is where I shift my attention from variety to color, and this is how I'm able to move my paintings forward and move past the hard parts. Because in the end, the messy middle is always part of any painting, and that will always be something every artist has to deal with. And it's exactly why the combination of painting freely and with intention is so important. After spending way too long on my own rocky path to learning, I knew I had to share this with other artists. And it's why I created the Clarity Workshop. And it's also why I do these free live painting sessions. This Sunday, April 26th, I'm hosting one. And I'm going to bring together all of these things on canvas. So, value, variety, and color in real time. And I would love for you to be there. The link to register is in the description below. All right, guys, I'm going to leave you with the rest of this painting, and I hope to see you there on Sunday.